Hello everyone, Untitled Collector here. Today my 3DS came in the mail, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on that. Also, this will be my 500 subscriber special, I guess. So yeah, let's get into unboxing it. This did come in an envelope, but I took it off because I do not want to dox anyone. Alright. Oh, nice, came with the charger. Oh, look, a letter. I'll read that later. I'll take this thing out of its wrapping. I got this in the Flare red color. And I got an original 3DS because large ones are too expensive. Yeah, here it is. Oh, yeah. For all this time, I finally have a 3DS. Let's see if it has any charge. Oh, blue light's on. Oh, alright. I have a stylus. Yes. Oh. Let me let my cat in real quick. Hello, Calypso. Alright. I speak English, so we'll do English. Do I need to get a stylus for this, bro? Oh. Right. Okay. I see 3D. Really cool. Ooh. I'll get a stylus for this, I guess. Come with a stunning stylus. Alright. Let me set the date real quick. Coming May 4th, 2026. It's 4/19. Yeah, it's 4/19. Yeah, it's 4/19. I'll do 4:20 just to be close to the full minute. So I'll do E. My birthday. I'm not going to show what state I live in. Oh, Calypso. Alright.